leave the building.
So we are currently outside Terror Tower in Scarborough. It's like a walk-through haunt attraction. You can see it behind me here. And I used to come here as a kid, and it scared the absolute piss out of me when I was a kid. I reckon I must have been about 10 the last time I went through this. I'm in North Yorkshire for some work this weekend. I was shooting a wedding, and I knew I was about an hour away from here, and I was like, I'm going to drive the extra hour just to go through this. And what's sick is the lovely folk here at Terror Tower have been kind enough to agree to let me go through with a film camera and bang off a bunch of film photos. So let's take some photos. Hello there. So before we get into the main part of this video where I slap a GoPro on my chest, walk through the haunted house and take loads of photos, I thought it would make sense to talk through the camera gear that I'm going to be using in this video. So really quickly, all the photos that you're about to see were shot on Kodak ultramax 400 35mm film. Awesome film stock. If you clicked on this video because you're thinking of picking up a roll of this film, I would encourage you to do so. It's great in sunlight, overcast light, because it's got a speed of 400 rather than 200. It's loads better for shooting indoors than something like Kodak Gold 200, and it has a really nice nostalgic color palette when you shoot this thing with flash, especially direct flash. Hoo boy, it is a good time. So for the cameras, one of them is Old Faithful, of course, the Minolta Dymax 7 with this very aggressive flash. Direct flash, of course, because I am not a coward. There is actually one photo that you will see in this video where I use bounce flash, and I will be very fascinated to see if anyone can spot it. And if you do, please let me know in the comments that you have spotted it. I would love to see someone spot it. And I'm also taking photos on this awesome little Fuji point and shoot film camera too. Now I will talk a little bit more about this camera in an upcoming video. I picked this up when my local camera shop let me root around in all their old stock in the back of the building. I picked out like 5 point and shoot cameras. They're not tested or whatever properly. A bit of a roll of the dice purchase, but I love stuff like that. Been trying them out, and I'm going to make YouTube videos about each one of those cameras. Spoiler alert, this one obviously worked. This is the Fuji focus free autofilm advance. I don't really, the DL15. I'll just show you really quickly one of the things that I love about this camera. It has drop-in loading. So you put the film in here, you pull a tab across, close, done, dropped in. Super cool. Focus free, which I love, similar to like the Kodak M35. So there's none of that focus hunting. But that is enough of me chatting pure bollocks. Let's get to the good shit. Let's slap the POV GoPro on the chest mount, walk through this haunted house, and let's take some heckin' photos.
I've heard that this place is a cursed patch of land. On Halloween night, the buried bodies will rise back up from the ground and reclaim the...
Super.
It's the governor. No reprieve.
Execute.
Leave the building immediately. 1 minute. Leave the building immediately.
Well, that was most enjoyable, wasn't it? I'll throw my favourite photo up on screen right now. I think this one was my favourite. What a great day out. Big shout out Terror Tower for letting me do this. Really appreciate it. So that is me. Thank you for checking out yet another video. It's great to see you again. I hope you're all good. I hope you're well. I hope the family's well. Most importantly, I hope your dog is well. And please, a little scratch behind the ears for the pooch from me. And hopefully I will catch you in the next one. You thought I was going to do a fit check thing, right? No, not today. This is an old one. This is just a bootleg Blink tee, which you've all seen, I imagine, countless times. It's gnarly. It is a gnarly tee. It's got Dr. Nick Riviera, Emerald Estate tee. Very dope. Not vintage though, so I don't feel like I can bang on about it in the same way. But alas, I am banging on. I have a problem. I have an actual problem. I literally physically cannot stop talking. That is it. End of the video. Hopefully I will catch you in the next one. Great to see you. Peace.